The railings are down and he's now fixed the railings. He's done everything, that lad. In the camera, away they go. Just a Joker from Coco Chanel. Then Catch the Pigeon, Jupiter Among Friends, To Be Sure, and Danny Power. So hurtling down the straight they come in their Mossball handicap, and it's Just a Joker from Coco Chanel, the two purple colours, then Catch the Pigeon and Jupiter, and Amongst Friends, To Be Sure, and Danny Power having their own private battle, which is being won at the moment by Danny Power, who starts to consent to run on down the hill. But Just a Joker, the field stack up behind. It's Just a Joker, Catch the Pigeon, trying for a seam through on the inside. Coco Chanel's run very wide on the track there, allowing Jupiter to sneak up his inside. Then Amongst Friends, and the other two are now starting to latch onto these, so there must have been an easing of the pace. But again, the pace now quickens again. It's Just a Joker, Catch the Pigeon, Coco Chanel, Jupiter Among Friends catches the eye going well in behind them, but now he just starts to ride him a bit, guys, to try and get a position. Danny Power tacks onto them. To Be Sure is the one who's struggling to go the gallop, and it's Just a Joker from Catch the Pigeon from Coco Chanel. Jupiter starts to be ridden along. Among Friends is looking for a dangerous looking seam up the inside, and it's still Just a Joker, who's been off the track for a month with a little bit of virus or whatever, but he's still leading his field in the Mossball handicap. It'll be a good performance, and he makes it out to there. The highway opens up for Among Friends on the inside, and also for Jupiter, but still Just a Joker. And here's Among Friends going at them, and Jupiter as well. It's Jupiter, Just a Joker, Among Friends. The whole complexion of this changes, and Jupiter powers home. Jupiter gets 3 or 4 clear of Just a Joker, Among Friends, Coco Chanel, Danny Power, Catch the Pigeon, and To Be Sure.